السلام علیکم. PMA 149 لانگ کورس اکیڈمک امپورٹنٹ کوشچنز. آج کی ویڈیو میں ہم ان MCQs کے بارے میں بات کریں گے جو کہ 15 نومبر 2021 کے تمام سینٹرز میں آئے ہیں. تو بنا ٹائم ویسٹ کیے اپنی آج کی ویڈیو سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. اور ویڈیو سٹارٹ کرنے سے پہلے میری آپ سب سے ایک ریکویسٹ ہے کہ میرا چینل پاک ایجوکیشن کو سبسکرائب کر لیجیے گا اور گھنٹی کے آئکن کو دبانا مت بھولیے تاکہ میری ہر نئی آنے والی ویڈیو آپ تک جلد از جلد پہنچ سکے. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Let's take a start. Hope you have subscribed my YouTube channel, Pak Education. تو آج کا پہلا کوشچن ہے آئیڈینٹیفائی دی کولڈسٹ پلانٹ. وچ ون از دی کولڈسٹ پلانٹ؟ دیٹ از پلوٹو. آئیڈینٹیفائی دی اسمالسٹ پلانٹ. دیٹ از مرکری. وچ ون از دی ہائیسٹ ماؤنٹین پاس ان دی ورلڈ؟ دیٹ از کلک پاس. اوکے, وچ پاس؟ کلک پاس. Identify the largest saltwater lake in world, that is Caspian Sea. Identify the world largest city in area, मतलब area wise जो largest city है. Which one is the largest city by area? That is New York. Which one is the longest state of the world? Okay, which is the longest state of the world? That is Malacca. Fleet Street in London is famous for offices of the leading British newspaper. Okay, Fleet Street in London is famous for offices of the leading British newspaper. Wall Street in New York is famous for stocks exchange market. Which of the following lines divide Turkish and Greek communities? That is Green Line. Which of the following countries is called land of milk and honey? That is Lebanon. Which one is boundary line between Poland and Germany? That is Hindenburg Line. Okay, Hindenburg Line. Taklamakan Desert is located in Jing, that is in China. چائنا کا ایک شہر ہے, اس چائنا کے نام ہی سارے اس طرح کے ہوتے ہیں. اوکے, تو یہ کہاں پہ ہے؟ چائنا میں. خیبر پاس از لوکیٹڈ ان سلیمان رینج. اوکے. Which part of the world is known as Star and Key of Indian Ocean? That is Mauritius. Okay. Siachen Glacier is situated in Karakoram Range. Siachen Glacier is situated in Karakoram. Which of the following glacier is in Hunza? That is Hisper. Which of the following mountain peak is not situated in Karakoram Range? That is Trichmere Peak. It is an important question that which of the following mountain peak is not situated in Karakoram Range? That is Trichmere Peak. The world's smallest state by population is Vatican. Okay, Vatican. The world's largest freshwater lake is Superior. This is also an important question. Nanga Parbat peak is situated in Himalayas. The largest river in Balochistan is Hingol. Which is the highest railway station in Asia? Khan Meh Tarzi. Okay, Khan Meh Tarzi. Kuril Islands are situated between Russia and Japan. Yellow Sea lies between China and Japan. The world's largest active volcano is located in USA. That is America. Which is the smallest state in area? That is Maldives. This is very important MCQ. That which is the smallest state in area? Maldives. The distance of a place south or north of equator is called latitude. What is it called? It is called latitude. Which part of the world is called the land of free people? That is Thailand. It is called land of free people. The world famous bride Golden Gate is located in San Francisco. San Francisco. Pristina is the capital of Kosovo. SAARC is located at Islamabad. This is also an important question. Oxus River is flowing between Afghanistan and Tajikistan. The world's largest desert in area is Sahara Desert. It is the world's largest desert by area. Dead Sea is lying between Israel and Jordan. This is also an important question, very important question. Okay, identify the largest sea, that is South China Sea. The length of Karakoram highway in Pakistan is 805 kilometers. Which of the sea is located in Central Asia? That is Aral Sea. Okay. Which country's land is below the sea level? That is Netherlands. Okay. What is subway? Subway is the underground passage. What is Cathay Pacific? That is an airline. The world's largest island is Greenland. Also an important MCQ. Punjab's size in the total land mass of Pakistan is 25.8%. ओके, ये MCQs लाजमी आएगा आपका. Pakistan is surrounded in the northwest by Himalaya range. Pakistan Forest Institution is located in Peshawar. Which part of Punjab is famous for Shisham forest? That is Changamanga. Very important MCQs. Area line between river Beas and the Ravi is called Bari Doab. The most precious gemstones are found in Swat. थैंक यू सो मच. इसी के साथ हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म होती है और सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच एंड खुदा हाफिज़.